Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you one of the most important, beneficial, and useful techniques that I've used in my dreaming practice ever since I discovered it. So make sure that you add this to your dreaming practice because I can guarantee that it will get you some good results. First thing, I'm going to start with the dream. And this dream was nothing special whatsoever. The setting of the dream is a common theme that I've seen in so many of my dreams. The dream started with me being in my elementary school gym. For me, one of the most common dream settings by far is being in my old elementary school, my old high school, or an old university lecture hall that I used to have a class in. So when this particular dream started in my elementary school gym, it really didn't seem like it was going to be anything special. There was a presentation going on, and one of my old teachers had asked all the students in the gym to start singing a song. I was sitting in the back of the gym, and without even trying, I became lucid in the dream. The moment that I became lucid, I stood up, but everybody else was sitting down. I looked around the gym, and for some reason I just yelled, "Stop!" as loud as I could. Instantly, and I mean instantly, everybody froze. No more singing, no more sounds, everybody froze. The best analogy that I could use to explain is like when you're in a recording booth or in a music studio and there's all those noise canceling panels around the walls and it blocks all of the sound out. Everybody and everything went eerily still. If they were singing, they froze mid-note. One thing that I remember doing is walking around the gym and waving my hands in front of everybody to see if they would react. But everybody was completely still. One of my favorite teachers who was in the gym always had big poofy hair. Her curls would even bounce when she would walk. But when I yelled stop, those curls froze as well. This whole dream was very weird, but also very fascinating at the same time. With everything frozen and with everything stopped, I could now effectively use my time to go and try out anything I wanted to do in the dream. As per usual, I got excited and I kicked myself out of that dream. I woke up in my bed and I thought to myself, I'm going to use this in the future and I'm going to test this in any way that I can to see if I could stop any dream that I want. And that's when I came up with the name for this, the stop technique. Dreams can have many, many distractions that you may or may not be able to control. With this stop technique, I can now make an attempt at controlling anything that was actually out of my control in the dream. My success rate in my dreaming practice got so much better after I learned the stop technique. Once again, the stop technique does not always work, but it has worked enough for me to consistently use it. In future videos, I will share with you how I've used the stop technique in specific dreams. It's really allowed me to expand my dreaming practice and to learn what is possible and not possible in dreams. I've used it for years and I still use it to this day. So here's what I want you to do. If you're ever in a dream and you remember the stop technique, all you gotta do is yell, "Stop!" as loud as you can in the dream and see what happens. If there's something scary happening, if there's something distracting you from what you're trying to do in the dream, or in any dream situation, try it out and see what happens. Like I always say, it may not work 100% of the time, but it is definitely worth trying. So let me know in the comments if the stop technique worked for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell to make sure that we can keep on learning about dreams together. Until next time, guys, sweet dreams.